welcome to everybody. Before we begin, I would like to invite on stage all the dignitaries, Architect Navinath Kanade sir, our Principal Aniruddha Zogdekar sir, Honorable Principal Shri B.G. Jadhav sir, Architect Avinash Ankalge sir, Architect Praveen Mali sir, our Design Head Architect Girish Doshi sir. Thank you. Good evening and a warm welcome to one and all present here for the felicitation of Architect Navnath Kanade sir under the Fountainhead Lecture Series and the inauguration of annual magazine showcasing the previous academic year 2022-23 of Marathwada Mitra Mandal's College of Architecture. Myself, Architect Saili Avde, Fountainhead Coordinator, on behalf of Marathwada Mitra Mandal's management, Principal Architect Aniruddha Zogdekar sir, faculty, staff and students welcome the guest of honor for today's event, Architect Navnath Kanade sir. I would also like to welcome Architect Praveen Mali sir, Architect Avinash Ankalge sir, Architect Rahul Rawat sir, Marathwada Mitra Mandal's Executive President, Honorable Principal Shri B.G. Jadhav sir. The Fountainhead series was formulated with the objective of providing a platform for our students to interact with eminent architects from all over the globe. In the past few years, many eminent architects have shared their experiences and interacted with our students. This year, we have been honored to have Master Architect Navnath Kanade sir. Every year, we put up an exhibition in the college of the works of distinguished architects. This year, we are pleased to have Architect Avinash Ankalge sir, who enthusiastically agreed to share his stunning sketches for the exhibition. This exhibition was inaugurated today by Kanade sir. The exhibition is open to all on the first floor art corridor at MMCOA and will be held for a week till the 28th of March by 5 p.m. We urge you all to kindly grace the exhibition by your presence and experience the magic of architectural sketching. Today, on this optimistic occasion, we will also be inaugurating the 5th edition of Chrysalis, the annual magazine of Marathwada Mitra Mandal's College of Architecture. Every year, our students conceptualize a theme for the magazine and work very hard to publish the same. Moving ahead, I request Principal Architect Zogdekar sir to address the audience.
Good evening, everyone. I am delighted to welcome respected dignitaries on the dais. Guest of honor, Architect Navnath Kanade sir, Architect Praveen Mali, Architect Avinash Ankalge, whose exhibition of sketches is being put up in the college, and Marathwada Mitra Mandal's Executive President, Honorable Principal B.G. Jadhav sir, our Design Chair Girish Doshi sir, and distinguished architects in the auditorium. We started the Fountainhead series in the academic year 2021 with the objective of creating a platform for our students to interact with eminent architects from all over the globe. This platform gives an opportunity for our students to observe various practices in architecture and learn from the legends. In past 5 years of Fountainhead, eminent architects like B.V. Doshi sir, ex-COA President Architect Habib Khan sir, Architect Ravindra Vaswada sir, Architect Yodan Rafe from Israel, Architect Mahesh Nampurkar, and many more others shared their experiences and have interacted with our students. Every year, we publish the annual magazine of MMCA named Chrysalis. This year, Chrysalis enters its 5th year of publication. The theme for the edition of academic year 22-23 is Perspectives. Magazine head Jude Betholo will explain in detail about the theme of this year later on. The main objective is to document each academic year through students' work, extracurricular activities, and students as well as faculty's achievements. I would like to highlight some of our achievements in this academic year. Our freshly graduated student Prithvi Desai's thesis has been selected for NIASA Thesis Awards in the top 10s of Western region. Our third and fourth year students participate in solar decathlon competition every year, which is also promoted by the Council of Architecture. This year, 15 students from the fourth year, under the guidance of architect Madhura Rasne ma'am and architect Radhika Vaidya madam, and in collaboration with the Paran Space Schemes Limited, have reached in the top 6 entries in the multifamily senior residences housing category at the national level, and they are going to present their work in the final round in May. We are also conducting a vertical studio in the next week, which will focus on the concept of idea modeling. This year, we have successfully organized the first international study tour of our students to Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and was completed on 8th of March, wherein 36 students from 2nd to 4th year, under the support and guidance of Marathwada Mitmandas management and international study tour faculty coordinators, architect Arti Patil madam and architect Shaunak Naik sir, who had set up clear objectives to impart experiential understanding of contemporary architecture. Every year, we aim to conduct such international tours to provide an invaluable platform for students to connect to MMCOA's practicing alumni placed abroad. More than a decade, MMCOA has been organizing lectures, seminars by eminent personalities from various walks of lives. An international alumni series started in the year 2021 to globally connect the students with alumni, a CrossFit for the alumni to share their and celebrate together the big and small wins of their journey of architectural practice, professional work, and experience. In addition to this, we have weekly Samvad lectures with different themes every year to explore various fields which are allied with the field of architecture. Every alternate year, we also organize Manthan, which is a conclave of academicians and industry experts. In addition to this, every alternate year, we organize Vantage Point, which is an interactive seminar for the 4th and 5th final year students with the aim of sensitizing them towards the architectural profession. This year, we'll have that Vantage Point program on 15th of April. I am glad to have students, parents, alumni, principals of various colleges and architects present here. Thank you for taking your time and attending this event and workout. Without taking much time, I will now proceed with the event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to request our principal, architect Aniruddha Zogrekar sir, to kindly felicitate our guest, architect Praveen Mali, one of the eminent architects from Sangli, Maharashtra, and principal architect at Abha Arch. Thank you. I would now like to take this opportunity to introduce our guest, architect Avinash Ankalge sir. Architect Avinash Ankalge graduated from Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Architecture, Pune. After graduation, Avinash worked under the renowned architect Sanjay Mohe in Mindspace, a Bangalore-based firm from 2010 to 2020. In 2020, Avinash started his own architectural practice called A Threshold with founding partner Harshit Nayak in Bangalore and Pune. We are pleased to have his stunning work of architectural sketching exhibited in our college. I request our principal, architect Aniruddha Zogrekar sir, to kindly felicitate architect Avinash Ankalge. you. I request Aniruddha Jogrekar sir to felicitate Marathwada Mitra Mandal's Executive President, Honorable Shri B.G. Jadhav sir. I would now like to take the opportunity to introduce the guest of honor for today's event, Architect Navnath Kanade sir. Architect brothers Navnath and Shankar Kanade brought a fresh perspective to the way architecture was practiced in Bangalore through the 80s. Their firm, Shilpa Sindoor, defined a housing typology that was climate-driven, function-oriented, and economical, while responding to the context and the client's needs with an honest approach. Apart from a practice that spanned 5 decades, they were part of teaching faculties at multiple institutions over the years. They were also instrumental in setting up several institutions, such as the Malnad Architecture School. Being the senior-most members of the Bangalore Architectural Society for Education, BASE group, they shared and conversed with leading architects of the city and beyond over slides and drawings on a weekly basis during the 80s and the 90s. Widely considered an important milestone in the Indian architectural history, their journey and experiences as architects and teachers are invaluable for the younger generation. They continue to be role models for their way of thinking that boldly defied time and convention. They were recently awarded as the J.K. AYA Great Masters Award. Marathwada Mitra Mandal's management and College of Architecture would like to honor him with the Manapatra. I would like to read his Manapatra. Manapatra, Shilpa Sindoor, वास्तु विशारद श्री शंकर आणि श्री नवनाथ कानडे. समकालीन वास्तुकलेच्या क्षेत्रात श्री शंकर आणि श्री नवनाथ कानडे या बंधुद्वयाचे विशेष योगदान आहे. आज मराठवाडा मित्रमंडळ कॉलेज ऑफ आर्किटेक्चरतर्फे श्री नवनाथ कानडे यांना हे मानपत्र प्रदान करून आम्ही सन्मानित करत आहोत. 80च्या दशकापासून श्री शंकरराव आणि श्री नवनाथ यांना आपल्या कामांमध्ये उच्च दर्जाची व्यावसायिक नीतिमत्ता जपली आणि आपल्या आविष्कारांमध्ये मानवतावादी दृष्टिकोन आणि पर्यावरण प्रेम जपले. तसेच अभ्यासाने आणि संशोधक वृत्तीने स्थापत्यशास्त्रातल्या नवनव्या कल्पना मूर्त स्वरूपात साकार करण्याच्या नव्या वाटा, नव्या पद्धती रूढ केल्या. गुरु आणि मार्गदर्शक म्हणून त्यांची भूमिका अतिशय मोलाची आहे. अनेक वास्तुकला शिक्षण संस्थांबरोबर ते काम करत आहेत. मालनाड आर्किटेक्चर स्कूलसारख्या अनेक संस्था त्यांच्या पुढाकारामुळे उभ्या राहिल्या आहेत. वास्तुकलेचे महत्त्व व वास्तुकलेची जीवनस्पर्शी समग्रता साधण्यासाठी त्याच तोलाचे प्रशिक्षण आवश्यक आहे ही त्यांची तळमळ आणि तसे ते विद्यार्थ्यांना मिळावे हा त्यांचा ध्यास आहे. बंगळुरू आर्किटेक्चरल सोसायटी फॉर एज्युकेशन ह्याचे ते वरिष्ठ सदस्य होते. बंगळुरूमधल्या सर्व नामावंत प्रथितयश आणि नव्या वास्तुविशारदांबरोबर त्यांनी प्रत्यक्ष संवाद साधले आणि संकल्पनांचे आदानप्रदान केले. प्रस्थापित मापदंड आणि रूढ संकल्पनांना आव्हान देताना त्यांनी कामामध्ये स्वतःची शैली विकसित केली, स्वतःचे व्याकरण तयार केले व आपल्या सृजनशीलतेने भारतीय वास्तुकलेत स्वतःचा ठसा उमटवला. त्यांनी आविष्कृत केलेल्या वास्तुकलेच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी आणि व्यावसायिकांसाठी प्रेरणास्रोत आहेत. विद्यार्थ्यांना आणि समव्यावसायिकांना मनापासून मदत करण्याची त्यांची वृत्ती, कामाचे त्रयस्थ दृष्टीने अचूक मूल्यमापन करण्याची त्यांची क्षमता आणि त्यांनी आत्मसात केलेले निरामय समाजकेंद्रित तत्त्वज्ञान या गुणांमुळे त्यांनी वास्तुकला या ज्ञानशाखेला समृद्ध केले आहे. हे मानपत्र अर्पण करून आम्ही श्री नवनाथ कानडे यांच्याप्रती कृतज्ञता आणि आभार व्यक्त करत आहोत. स्थळ पुणे, दिनांक 19 मार्च 2024. धन्यवाद. I request Marathwada Mitra Mandar's Executive President, Honorable Principal Shri B.G. Jadhav sir, to felicitate Architect Navnath Kanade sir. Thank you, sir. I request Honorable Principal B.G. Jadhav sir to kindly address the audience.
सर्वांना आदरपूर्वक नमस्कार. मी सुरुवातीला इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलायचं ठरवलं, पण मानपत्र मराठीत आहे आणि म्हणून आपण मराठीत बोलूया म्हटलं. वातावरण थोडंसं अधिक गंभीर आहे, अधिक शांत का बसलात माहीत नाही. आज एक खूपच आनंदाचा क्षण आहे. आता आपण प्रख्यात आर्किटेक्ट श्री कानडेजी यांना आपण मानपत्र दिलं, त्यांचा सत्कार केला. एक प्रख्यात आर्किटेक्ट याबरोबर त्यातल्या काही एक दोन ओळी अशा होत्या की मानवाच्या कल्याणासाठी, ह्युमन डेव्हलपमेंटसाठी, समाजाच्या विकासासाठी त्यांनी तळागाळापासून काम केलेलं आहे आणि आर्किटेक्टच्या पलीकडे जाऊन आपला ठसा या क्षेत्रामध्ये त्यांनी उमटवलेला आहे. मला अजून एका गोष्टीचा आनंद वाटतो की हे मानपत्र किंवा हा सत्कार माझ्या उपस्थितीमध्ये झाला. मी त्यापैकी एक होतो, म्हणजे मी एकटा नव्हतो, कारण दिग्गज गिरीशजी होते किंवा जोगळेकर साहेब होते, अंकलजी होते. कारण जनरली आपण काय करतो, एखाद्या दिग्गज माणसाचा त्या क्षेत्रातला सत्कार करायचा असेल तर त्या क्षेत्रातला दुसरा एक दिग्गज लागतो. आता मी तर आर्किटेक्ट नाही, पण कदाचित एक धागा सर याच्यामध्ये एवढा एकच आहे. मी एकटा असा माणूस आहे की या कॉलेजच्या पहिल्या दिवसापासून इथं हजर आहे. त्यामुळं कदाचित मला या ठिकाणी बोलावलं असेल, हाही त्यातला एक प्लस पॉईंट असू शकतो असं मला वाटतं. पण ज्यावेळेला जोगळेकर सरांनी मला सांगितलं की असं असं आपण एक कार्यक्रम आहे, याचा सत्कार ठेवलेला आहे, तर त्यांनी याच्या पुढे हेही सांगितलं की त्यांचं काम एवढं मोठं आहे की त्यांच्यावर फिल्म तयार झालेले आहेत, इतके मोठे आर्किटेक्ट आहेत. तर मला असं वाटलं की अशा या दिग्गज व्यक्तीला आपण पाहावं, त्यांच्याशी बोलावं आणि या सत्कार सोहळ्यामध्ये सामील व्हावं, या आनंदाच्या क्षणामध्ये सहभागी व्हावं, म्हणून मी आनंदाने या कार्यक्रमाला आलो. आपल्या महाविद्यालयाला जवळपास 40 वर्ष झालेली आहेत, होत आलेली आहेत. अनेक विद्यार्थी वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रामध्ये काम करतात. देशापरदेशामध्ये आपले अनेक विद्यार्थी इतरांच्याकडे प्रमुख पाहुणे म्हणून, गेस्ट म्हणून, चीफ गेस्ट म्हणून जात आहेत. हीच महाविद्यालयाची कमाई आहे. खूप मोठे प्राध्यापक आहेत आपल्याकडे. आज जी काही प्राध्यापकाची हजेरी आहे ते सुद्धा वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रात दिग्गज मंडळी या ठिकाणी आहेत. महाविद्यालय काय नुसत्या इमारतीवरून ओळखलं जात नाही आहे. तर ते महाविद्यालय, त्याचे शिक्षक कसे आहेत, त्यातले विद्यार्थी कसे झाले, आपले अनेक विद्यार्थी देशापरदेशामध्ये खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये त्या देशामध्ये नाव मिळवलेलं आहे. हीच कमाई आहे. आणखी दुसरं एक म्हणजे त्या महाविद्यालयात किती लोकांनी भेटी दिलेल्या आहेत, किती दिग्गज लोक या ठिकाणी येऊन गेले आहेत, हा एक महत्त्वाचा भाग आहे असं मला वाटतं. सर, आपण या महाविद्यालयात आलात आमचा सत्कार स्वीकारला हा आमचा सत्कार आहे, मी असं समजतो. कारण ही संधी फार कमी वेळेला मिळते. आपल्याला सरांची फिल्म बघायची आहे, त्यांना ऐकायचं आहे. त्यामुळे तुम्ही टाळं वाजवण्याच्या आत मी हे सगळं ओळखून थांबतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र. मला या ठिकाणी बोलण्याची संधी देत थांबतो.
Thank you, sir. We would now proceed to the inauguration of the annual magazine, Chrysalis. I would like to call upon stage student magazine head, Jude Butello, to brief us about Chrysalis.
Good evening to one and all present here. Chrysalis is the divine journey of a humble caterpillar turning into an extravagant butterfly. It serves as a perfect example of an architect's life and work, as it entails perseverance and purpose, resulting in beauty and freedom. We hope that through this magazine, we inspire each reader to give their best, rise above their failures, and come up with the most beautiful version of themselves. This year, our focus was on providing a personal perspective through which we could show the journey of the course of architecture at MMCA through a blend of evocative photographs, insightful articles, captivating artworks, and exclusive interviews. We extend a warm invitation to you all to join us on this expedition, page by page, as we unravel the stories, challenges, and triumphs of individuals navigating through the intricacies of this course. We thank our principal, architect Anirudh Zogrekar, for giving us this opportunity to publish this magazine. Architect Niranjan Gadre and architect Asmita Patwardhan, magazine coordinators, for constantly supporting us. Finally, I would like to thank the members of the magazine team for their dedication and hard work, without which this year's edition would not be possible. We hope that you enjoy this magazine as much as we enjoyed presenting it to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Jude, for the introduction. I request our guest of honor, architect Navnath Kanade sir, to kindly inaugurate the magazine, Chrysalis 2022-23. A big round of applause for the entire magazine team. Thank you very much, everyone. I would request architect Avinash Ankalge to kindly wait back on stage and request other dignitaries to please take your seats in the audience.